Apple is quietly testing one of the most controversial hardware decisions it has ever made, and if this change goes live, it could turn the iPhone 17e into a connectivity disaster for everyday users. What makes this situation even more alarming is that Apple seems confident most buyers won't notice what's missing until long after they've already paid. Deep inside Apple's internal software, developers have uncovered evidence of a hardware downgrade that could fundamentally alter the value of the upcoming iPhone 17e. And this isn't speculation based on rumors, it comes directly from a leaked internal build of Apple's own operating system development tools, briefly accessible online before being pulled down. The discovery comes from a debugged version of Apple's macOS kernel, a highly sensitive internal package used by engineers to test future hardware compatibility. The code reveals a shocking fact: the iPhone 17e is being tested without a critical component, the N1 chip. Why does this matter? The N1 chip isn't about speed or camera specs. It's the invisible bridge between your iPhone and modern smart home devices. It enables low-power thread-based communication, allowing lights, locks, cameras, and other devices to communicate seamlessly, reliably, and efficiently. Without the N1 chip, the iPhone 17e could struggle to connect to smart home devices, leaving buyers with a phone that looks modern but can't fully interact with the smart environments Apple has been promoting. So why would Apple remove such a key feature? It's all part of a long-term strategy. The iPhone 17e is expected to debut Apple's first mass-market in-house modem, the C1X. While this reduces costs and dependency on third-party suppliers, it comes at the expense of full smart home compatibility. Higher-end iPhones, like the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro, will keep the N1 chip and full-thread, Matter support, creating a deliberate divide between budget and premium models. Apple knows consumers mostly compare cameras, screens, and battery life, not connectivity chips hidden inside the phone. Many won't realize what's missing until they try to integrate the device into a smart home setup, and by then, it's too late. Traditionally, choosing a cheaper iPhone meant sacrificing luxury features, not functionality. With the 17e, Apple is changing that philosophy. A device that runs apps and takes photos well could still fail in the core area of connectivity, a functional limitation, not just a cosmetic one. While this is based on internal testing, Apple could still reintroduce the N1 chip before launch. However, testing this configuration shows Apple is exploring how much they can remove before customers push back, a clear measure of consumer tolerance. If your home includes smart lights, locks, cameras, or automation hubs, the iPhone 17e could become a frustrating bottleneck. Saving money upfront may cost you compatibility, convenience, and future upgrades. Apple's move toward in-house modems is inevitable, but using budget buyers as a testing ground for feature removal raises serious questions about value and transparency. The iPhone 17e might look like a great deal on paper, but beneath the glass, it could be missing the very technology that defines the next decade of connectivity.